To start off with, I painted 3 round red circles for the holly berries. I then went into this split cake that goes from dark green to white, and using a 3/4 inch angled brush, I started to paint on the leaves. I'm not using a specific technique for this, but I'm just making sure that the dark green is always on the outside edge, and then I'm just dragging it in towards the berries. I added a black outline to the berries, and then I did the same with the leaves, and I painted some veins on the leaves as well. Sorry that my mirror's in shot, by the way, I didn't realise it was when I was filming. And then using the same black paint and same brush, I just started to paint some swirls on coming off the holly leaves, and I just kind of played this by ear and just put them wherever I thought looked good. I then switched to a white paint, and I painted a white line on top of the berries like a little snow patch, and then I painted a white line down the veins of the leaves as well. I added white highlights around the black swirls as well. And I added a couple of starbursts by the berries. To finish off the design, I added some aloe vera gel and a red glitter mix.